The length of the yarn, 120 meters in 100 grams. Hook, 6.5 millimeters. Make a foundation chain out of 30 chains. Work single crochets till the end of the row. One turning chain and work single crochets till the end of the row. Crochet 7 rows in this way. Work 13 single crochets. One turning chain, turn the work, and crochet 6 rows in this way. One turning chain, work single crochets till the end of the row. Chain 17. Work single crochets till the end of the row. And crochet 9 rows in this way. Sew the sole and the heel. Grab the stitches and tighten them. Slippers are designed for the foot length of 23.5 centimeters.